Hey, how's it going? It's Mac, owner of Cherry Bomb here, and today we have an unboxing from Hammerdown Offroad. Now, Hammerdown Offroad is my newest sponsor, so you can use the code CBTHD10 to get 10% off, and that is site-wide. So that is anything on Undaunted Apparel's website. So Hammerdown is just one of the teams of Undaunted Apparel, but you can use that on any of the other teams. So go ahead and use that code and check it out. So let's open this box up. When I did the original order from them, it's a sponsorship, so they were going to send some other stuff. And the initial thing the main thing that I ordered was a hoodie, but they said that unfortunately that hoodie is going to be delayed, which is no big deal. I'll just get to it later. But they said that there's some other goodies in there, and they really packed this nice and well. Let's see what we got inside of here. All right. So it looks like we got this is super cool. This is one of the things I was really looking forward to on their site. It's a snapback. It's got their logo on the front of it. This is multicam black, and I didn't even know it's actually an officially licensed multicam product, which is really cool. It's not like some knockoff. It is legitimately, you can see it's got the multicam tag here. It's not a snapback, it's I think a one size fits. I think we got the beanie, which was really great. I just got back from Flagpole Knob, and so this would have been great to use at night. And this is their logo here. I just showed it on the hat, but I love this logo. So Hammerdown Offroad. It's got this nice hammer. I just love the logo. It's super simple, but this nice black beanie. And then this is their I call it like their elongated, longer logo. Still got the hammer in there, and then it says Hammerdown. I love it. I love it. Looks like it's a gray shirt. It's plain on the front, and then on the back, it's got their Undaunted logo, which is super cool. Didn't know I was getting this. Simple. And looks like we got another shirt down in here, like an American flag with their logo, and it says Undaunted. It's very cool. On the back, it's got just again standard Undaunted logo. Very cool. Never surrender, Undaunted Apparel. Very cool. This is their like Metallica inspired. Hammerdown logos are gonna go on like the left and right side of my truck, and then we got just a bunch of logos and stuff with black and red, which is the perfect matches the colors of my truck. And this is something that they did custom for me. They don't make the logo in these colors. So typically, like you saw with the hat and stuff like that, the hammer is always another color filled in. But I wanted them to make the Hammerdown logo with the hammer being white, because on my back windshield it would match perfectly because it would come through with the black. And that's what they did for me. So you can see right here, it looks almost a little bit gray right here, but it is white. So that's gonna be super great. That's gonna go on the back. Your standard black, the gray, which looks good. It almost has it's a lighter gray than my logo, but similar. Then the big HD Hammerdown, Hammerdown, Hammerdown. How awesome! It's kind of hard to see. But they're clear, and then the hammer there, and they sent a whole stack of those. So that's super, super awesome. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So check out Undaunted Apparel, and more specifically Hammerdown CBT HD 10. I'll put it in the description, and I'll put it on the screen. You can go get 10% off anything on site-wide. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless. See you guys next time.